There is about 8.7 million species of animals in the world today, from the half centimetre ant to the 30-metre long blue whale. They come in all shapes and sizes. In today's top list, we're going to be looking at 10 of the biggest animals on Earth. We'll be diving down to the deepest, darkest oceans, and then we're going all the way up to the highest mountains to find the biggest animals living on Earth today. We'll be choosing the animals on length, height, weight, and how they compare to the rest animals in their class. Let's kick off today's top 10 list by heading over to East Africa for an animal that holds a Guinness World Record for being the largest millipede in the world, and that is the giant African millipede. The giant African millipede are the largest millipedes in the world, reaching a size of 33.5 centimetres in length. In general, the lifespan of these millipedes are between 7 to 10 years. Millipedes are a breathtaking creature, and they're a breathing, living compost bin. Because they feed on decaying leaf matter, moss and wood, they are a big help to the environment by recycling nutrients back into the soil, what will then go to feed the trees, the plants, which then will feed the other animals and help the cycle of life. Millipedes don't in fact have 1,000 legs. In fact, out of the 10,000 known species of millipedes on Earth, the number of legs ranges from 36 to 40 legs. The best way to see how many legs a millipede's got is by checking out the segments. They've got 4 legs per segment on their body. Sticking with creepy, we're heading down to the deep, dark ocean to find out the biggest invert living on Earth today, and that's number 9, the 45-foot colossal squid. They have the largest eye in the animal kingdom, reaching 25 centimetres, and they really do look like a made-up creature from the movies. But this giant squid is real. The size of the squid is often exaggerated when you're looking on the internet, with reports saying that they can reach 60 foot in length. However, the largest squid ever recorded and documented was 45 foot long, what is still quite big. Because these creatures are quite rare, there's not a lot known about them, and they're not found that often. Number 8 on the list, I've got to go to the saltwater crocodile. Anyone who's watched Peter Pan knows that crocodiles love to eat hands, right? But did you know the saltwater crocodile is the largest reptile on Earth? They also have the biggest bite force in the animal kingdom. This means they beat animals like lions, tigers, sharks and other top predators. On average, saltwater crocodiles will get to a length of 17 foot and weigh 453 kilograms, but research and reports have shown crocodiles in the wild getting up to 21 plus foot. They also have 66 teeth in their jaws, and every time a tooth gets damaged or lost or broke, they will replace them, going through 8,000 teeth in their lifetime. Moving on to number 8 on the list, and that's got to go to the blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth, weighing in at 180 tons and getting to 98 foot. They really are a monster of the seas. For such a large animal, you'd think they eat fish and other animals, right? But the truth is they live off tiny plankton and that is all they eat. For such a big animal, you'd think that they need other things, but no, just eat plankton. Their tongue alone can weigh as much as a female elephant, but not a male. Their heart weighs as much as a small car. What is crazy to think, they in fact are the largest animal to ever live on Earth. Let's head over to dry land now and check out some animals on land, with number 6 being ostrich. The ostrich is the largest bird on Earth, and it's also the fastest bird, running at 50 to 60 miles an hour. They can get to about 9 foot tall and weigh 156 kilograms. They're also the largest eye of all the birds. With a small head and a big eye, it really don't leave a lot of room for their brains. They also don't have teeth, and they can go days without drinking water because they'll get the water from the vegetation eaten in the wild. Moving back to the creepy, slimy, creepy animals, and we're going to number 5 being reticulated python. The longest known snake in the wild is the reticulated python, what can grow between 26 to 27 foot long, and they are very common in the pet trade. They're also not venomous, which means that they have a mouth full of sharp teeth. They have also got about 100 teeth in the mouth, and they're extremely sharp to hold on to their prey. And the way that they take over their prey and they kill their prey is by constricting, by wrapping their body around and constricting their prey until it passes out and dies, and then they swallow it whole. Number 4 on the list is the giant huntsman spider. The giant huntsman spider's leg span is about 30 centimetres, which makes them the largest spider on Earth. They are very defensive and can give you a nasty bite if provoked. They don't make webs like other spiders, they would actually go out the way to hunt for their prey. This is where they get their common name from, the huntsman spider. Number 3 on the list, I've got to go to the Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon is the largest lizard on Earth today, and also one of the only venomous lizards on Earth. Since 2013, after Australian studies found out that they do have 2 venom glands at the back of their throat. Unlike snakes, like king cobras and other venomous snakes who use their fangs to obviously inject the venom, these ones will bite down and the venom will ooze into the animal's wound, and that's how they get venomated. That's why since 2013 they've only been confirmed to have venom glands. Before that, they thought it was a bacteria infection what killed the animals. Komodo dragons will grow to about 10 foot long and weigh around 91 kilograms. They'll also eat anything they can find, from large water buffaloes, pigs and deers, to rabbits, birds, and they've also been known to hunt humans. Number 2 on the list is the kakamara. Look at that cute face and tell me you don't want to give it a big kiss, right? But the truth is, these little cute animals are the largest rodents on Earth, standing 2 foot tall to the shoulders and lengths of 4.6 feet. And they also weigh 143 pounds. At the front of the mouth, they have some very sharp teeth, what they use for upgrassing their food in the wild, and they also could easily take your finger off with that bite. We have now got to number 1, but before we get into number 1, make sure you hit that bell, guys. Also, give us a subscribe. Follow us on social media. Social media links will be on screen now. And also let me know down below in the comments what your favourite animal is on this list, and also what your top 10 list would be. Number 1 on the list is the African elephant. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth today, but the largest land-dwelling mammal on Earth is the African elephant. Adults will weigh between 2 to 7 tons, and the shoulder heights are between 3 to 4 meters tall. They really are amazing animals. They also have big ears like other elephants to help cool them down in the scorching heat, and they're also the largest mammal on the land today. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that. Please make sure you hit that notification bell, subscribe, and check out one of the videos what's floating around now, guys. And I promise you'll see you next Monday at 2 PM UK time.